Welcome back to my channel. This is Samira Z Fashion YouTube channel. So today we are making a pencil skirt with a ruffle at the side of the skirt, a pencil one that we are making. So this is the fabric that we are using to make it. So what we will do now is we have to start with our measurement, and before that I want to show you the ruffle that we will use and wrap it at the side of it. So this is the fabric, is 2 inch that we are using, that is the weight, and the length is 1.5. That is the measurement that we are using to get it, because by the time we draw it, it will shrink. So this is the material that we are using to do it, 2.5 at the weight side. So that is the ruffle rope that we are using to make it. So now we start with the measurement proper now. So the length is 23. So on that 23 is the M allowance also. So everything there is that 23. The main length is 22. So that is the length now. So we will now start with the measurement from the waist. So we'll measure from the waist. So I'm still showing you the band, so we'll use that one as the band for the waist. So now we'll start with the measurement for the waist. When dividing your waist, you divide it by 4. So you mark. So the waist we are using here is 30. So you add your 30, you mark, that is 7.5, and add 1 inch allowance on it. So you add your 1 inch for the dart. So that is the dart allowance, that is the 1 inch. So after that, you now measure from the waist to the hip. So you add on your allowance for 2 inch, that is the waist now. So we have marked it. From the waist to the hip line is 9. So you mark on that line, that is 9. So you roll it. So by the time you get that your straight line on your hip, you do the measurement for the hip now. So now the hip, will mark it, you divide it by 4. So the hip is 42. So you mark 42, what will it give you? 10.5. And remember to add your allowance on it. So that is the allowance there, because that is the whole body of the cloth there, the fabric. So come to the downside, that is the hemline. You shape from the hip. So 42 is what we got there. So what we add there now is 9. So I'm shaping it by 9, and remember to also add just 1 inch at the hemline side, that is the allowance. So you add 1 inch. It's 1 inch that I'm adding there now. So can you see what I'm doing there now? Adding 1 inch. The other side is 2 inch allowance, but the down side, that the hemline, is 1 inch. So now you connect from the waist to the hip. That's what I'm doing there now. From the waist to the hip, you connect. From the hip to the hemline, you connect also. After that, you've gotten your pencil skirt is ready, is done. So what you just do, just for you now, to cut out. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, make a comment, share it to your friends. Yes, that is the essence of doing this video, for us to grow together. So now I'm cutting it now, cutting from the hips, waist to the hip. Remember, you cut from the allowance side, not on that measurement of the body, no, so that you will not spoil your work there. So remember, when you are cutting, cut on the allowance side of it. So I'm chalking it for you to see. You see, my chalk is not showing you very well, but I hope with the explanation you understand what I'm saying. So now I want to cut out now. So I'm cutting it out. So this is the pencil skirt. Remember, it's a pencil skirt with a ruffle side of it that we are making. So it will be at the side, the ruffle. So this is the cutting. Can you see how it is now? It has come out. So what we just do now, that the next step is just for us to lay it on the back side. You fold the back and lay it. So this is what I've done now. So I've laid it. I remember to add your allowance to the side of the zip. So you add 1.5 because it's 1.5 there that I'm adding. So after that, just for you now to cut out. So because the measurement is already done with the front side of the skirt, so this is the back side of it now. So I'm opening the zips at the back side so that we'll have that zip side of the skirt that we are making. So that is the measurement there, and that is the cutting that we are doing there now. So I'm just cutting out the excess that we have at the backs of the fabric that we are cutting now, because we'll just use the front to lay it at the back side to cut out. So we have done with the cutting. I'm just chalking it so that we'll know the front side of the back and the front back. So this is the raffle now. We've gone to the machine and stitch it and draw it out. So it has done. So we already stitched one side of it now. Can you see how it is now at the one side? So now just for us now to go and complete the other side of it. After doing that, what next? It's just for you now to go and measure the back of the skirt. So this is the back of the skirt that we are measuring now to use to finish our sewing. So you measure from the back of your cloth, even though it's blouse, you use it so that it will correspond very well to enter. Just try it. So I'm measuring the waist, yes, the waist to the length now, that is the waist side now. So you divide it by 2. It's by 2 that you divide it. So this is the measurement now. So I'm using it now. After that, I just use it to go and lay at the front side and join together and do your band on your waist. So the skirt is ready. So now I'm measuring it by 2, not into 4 again. So this is the hip line side. So you divide your hip. Remember the hip that we are using is 42. So you divide it by 2. What will it give you? Give you 21 when you divide it. So that is the measurement there now. So don't forget to subscribe again. I love you people. To watch my video, comment, share it to your friends. So this is it now. So watch my previous video also, because I've done something like this before. That is the pencil skirt. So just watch it and comment. So this is the waist side of it now that I'm marking also to get our waist measurement. So after doing that, just take it to your machine and stitch together and put your band. Your skirt is ready and you wear it out. So this is the connection now that I'm connecting from the waist to the hip, from the hip to the hemline. That is what I'm doing there now. I'm also taking it up so that you can see everything that I'm doing there now. So this is the down side of it, the hemline side of it, connecting it from the hip to the hemline. So we're done with that. So you can you see how it is? It has come out. So can you see how beautiful it is? So you can use any top to wear it and you see how it will look like. Very beautiful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share it to a friend. Love you guys. Thank you so much. You can see how the outcome comes out. Very handsome, beautiful. Thank you. Bye bye.